morning, good afternoon, good night, welcome back, welcome to My Name is Joe Josh. I go by iChart Daily. I don't even know what today is anymore, but what I do know is there's massive turmoil going on in the world today. And who would have thought that poo-poo would have been hitting the fan around February, March, April, huh? So, what am I thinking? What are my thoughts? I haven't posted in a while because nothing's happened. I'm not a content creator. You should appreciate that, cuz you should appreciate that I am not making videos to make money off your views. I make a video because I think something's playing out in the chart. Facts. Nothing's happened in the chart. I haven't posted anything. I still have alerts, but we've stayed between 60 and 70,000. Test yourself right now. What happens? What needs to happen in the chart in order for someone like me to say momentum is turning bullish? Price needs to go sideways. Indicators need to start forming bullish structure, bullish divergence. What did I post on my X yesterday? Follow me, the iChart Daily. Someone beat me to iChart Daily. Shout out to them. I'm looking for divergence, regular or hidden, and it's finally playing out on the weekly RSI. The price swings are going flat, while the RSI swings have made an inverse head and shoulders. What that means, an inverse head and shoulders on the weekly time frame is nothing to fuck around with. It means momentum is going towards the bullish side. It means that there is a reversal potentially on the table. Now, you always want to ask yourself, where are the indicators? What's happening with the indicators, right? Golden cross, death cross in the MACD, RSI above, below the moving average. But the main question is where? MACD, just golden cross. Where? Section B, below the zero line. Bullish, but has like a little asterisk next to it, understanding that if and when momentum shifts back the other way, right, a death cross, could be weeks, could be months, as long as it's below the zero line, 60,000 could be retested and broken. Look at the previous bear market. Look what happened when the golden cross happened on the weekly MACD, but the RSI stayed below the 50 line. We actually broke the most recent low structure and created one more low, which I think potentially could happen. So, the RSI, it being below the 50 line, shows me visually the 11 and 21 day moving average is a visual resistance level. Right now, I think it lines up with like 70 to 73,000. What I'd like to see happen is continuously bullish structures happen. Long term, there's a CME gap. I've been saying this for the longest time. CME gap of 80 to 81,000. Stay along, write notes, slow down the speed if you can't stay with the speed, buddy. CME gap, BTC1 exclamation point. Look at the chart. It's there. Gaps get filled. It's a fucking rule. Understand it. We just don't know when. So understanding that we're getting short-term bullish momentum on the weekly time frame, and that's not a time frame you want to fuck around with, right? We're not talking about the 1 minute or the 5 minute. We're talking about a weekly time frame. Massive swing momentum. What I think plays out over the short term, if we see America, Iran, Israel, all this shit going on, bombing infrastructures, and Bitcoin remains flat, that's a bullish thing in my mind. I'm going to be watching it. I have alerts set at 71,000, alerts set at 65,000. I have an alert set, I forgot because I'm driving now, I think it's around 35 to 40 on the weekly RSI, helping me understand, are we going to get rejected by the 50 line? Are we going to get rejected by the 11 and 21 day moving average? Are we going to break the 50 line? Are we going to break the 11 and 21 day moving average? If we do break the 50 line and we break the 11 and 21 day moving average, where could we go to? And then thereafter, and you're playing a big game of chess, but you're dealing with money. It's just that simple. That's the video. Alts were demolished. A lot of alts were sometimes down 60, 70, 80% from the most recent high. Not financial advice, but I have been telling some people in my immediate circle, if you're looking to dip your toes in the lily pond with the crypto world, there's meat on the bone to grow for your portfolio for the long term. The first thing I tell people is, are you looking to hold for over a year? Because if you are, the momentum's on your side. The next halvening is 2028. I think the next full bull market is 2027, 2028, because that's what the fucking trend is. And who are you to go against the trend? It's just that simple. So the trend is your friend till the end. It's happened every 4 years, diminishing returns, diminishing bear markets. Is it possible that a 55% correction out of Bitcoin is an actual bear market? I don't think so, but I do think it could go down to, let's just say, the 50s, and then we'll see from there. But as of right now, with the indicators turning bullish, the 60 to 65,000 is forming a nice bottom. I don't think we break that as of right now. Something needs to happen in the world catastrophically in order for the momentum to shift like that. You usually don't see momentum go one way, indicators do one thing, and then all of a sudden it's a red candle the other way. So that's the video. Love you guys. Appreciate the support. Any comments, questions, concerns, leave it in the comment section. If I don't see anything playing in the chart for days to another week, I'm not making a video and just being like, well, if this happens, and if this happens, and if this happens, and then this could happen. No, bro, that's not me. That's not the way I fucking roll. When I see something, I'm letting you know, which just makes sense to turn on the notification bell. This is not a sell. This is letting you know that if I post something over the next couple of days to weeks, you probably want to know, because that means we're moving and green candles are happening.